Hey, what's up everyone? Easy Earl here, and today we are going to discuss which is better. Is it athletic greens or strong greens? Let's begin. Okay, so both athletic greens and strong greens are popular green superfood supplements that aims to provide a wide array of nutrients, vitamins and minerals to derive from fruits, vegetables and other natural sources. Now, Athletic Greens offers a comprehensive blend of vitamins, minerals, probiotics, and antioxidants and superfoods in one serving. It aims to provide a wide range of nutrients, potentially supporting overall health, energy levels, immune function, and gut health. Athletic Greens emphasizes quality ingredients, focusing on natural sources and avoiding artificial additives. All right. Now, Strong Greens is no slouch itself because it offers a blend of natural ingredients like fruits, vegetables, herbs, and antioxidants. It also aims to provide a spectrum of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to support overall health and well being. Now, strong greens might be more affordable compared to some other similar supplements. The thing is, athletic greens can be relatively expensive compared to similar green superfood supplements on the market, and some users might find the taste or texture less palatable as is common with on many green supplements. But strong greens, actually, the ingredient list might not be as extensive or diverse compared to some other green superfood supplements. As with many green supplements, taste preferences can be subjective, and some users might not enjoy the taste or mixability. And some users might find the potency or concentration of nutrients to be lower compared to other similar products. Okay, so here's the thing. I suggest you go here at their website to know more about their advantages, perks, and benefits for you, and some promo discounts for during the holidays. Because I went here to check some information if it's right for me. Like how to use some FAQs if there's like an adverse effect or allergy sensitive. Right, so right here, gut health, focus and energy, stress and mood balance, immune defense. They also promoting some starter pack welcome kit for you. Like the AG1 pouch is a 30 days supply per pouch, which ships every 30 days, like 79 per month. The welcome kit is free and whatnot if you buy AJ1 now. Right here, there's a lot of information for you to get when you visit their website. Okay, so I suggest you go here. When should you expect to see the benefits? How do you know if AG1 is right for you? What kind of benefits can you expect? How does it taste? What makes athletic greens different from other nutritional products, right? And how do you take athletic greens? Of course, the next thing you need to do is simply check strong greens as well, all right? So you have a side-by-side comparison if you went to their website, right? A superfood greens powder to improve digestion, support the immune system, and increase natural energy without tasting like grass, all right? So here are some benefits for you to check. And of course, the price, if it suits your budget, your goals and your needs, some other variants for you to choose from, And as always, when choosing between athletic greens and strong greens, consider your specific health goals, ingredient preferences, taste preferences, budget, and any dietary restrictions, right? So because both supplements aim to provide a variety of nutrients derived from natural sources, but the difference in formulation, potency, and price may influence your choice. As always, consulting with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen is advisable, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are on medications, all right? And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have further or suggested topics for us to cover in the next video, let us know in the comments below because I read all of them, and I'll see you in the next one.